Imagine you're at home trying to fix a complicated issue. You call a tech support agent and they ask you to describe the problem. You struggle to explain it and the call drags on. Now imagine if the tech support agent could securely connect to your device, see the issue firsthand, and fix it quickly. This is the kind of convenience and efficiency that Cisco RADKit brings to network management for Cisco business customers. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll introduce you to the Cisco Remote Automation Development Kit, RADKit. Next. RADKit is a powerful tool designed to make managing and troubleshooting network devices much easier. Think of it like a toolkit that allows network administrators to securely connect to remote terminals, web user interfaces, UIs, or desktops. It's like having a remote control for your network, enabling you and/or tech support agents to manage and fix issues without being physically present. One of the standout features of RADKit is its ease of use. It comes with ready-to-use tools and Python modules, which means you don't need to be a programming expert to get started. Whether you're connecting to a remote terminal or a web UI, RADKit provides a secure and interactive way to do so. This is particularly useful for network administrators who need to manage devices spread across different locations. So, when and why would you use RADKit? Imagine you're responsible for a network with devices located in various offices around the country. If a device in a remote office encounters an issue, traveling there to fix it would be time-consuming and costly. With RADKit, you can securely connect to the device from your office, gather the necessary information, and troubleshoot the issue in real time. This not only saves time, but also reduces the need for physical travel, making network management more efficient. Another significant benefit of RADKit is its integration with Cisco Catalyst Center as the remote support authorization feature. This integration allows Cisco's Technical Assistance Center, TAC, to remotely assist you with gathering information or troubleshooting issues. Instead of spending hours on a video call trying to explain the problem, you can let the experts at Cisco TAC remotely access your environment and resolve the issue quickly. This feature is particularly valuable for complex issues that require expert intervention. In summary, Cisco RADKit is a versatile and user-friendly tool that brings a new level of convenience and efficiency to network management for Cisco business customers. It allows you and/or tech support agents to securely connect to remote terminals, web UIs, or desktops, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot devices from anywhere. Its integration with Cisco Catalyst Center further enhances its value, providing a seamless way to get expert assistance and maintain your network's health. Whether you're a seasoned network administrator or new to the field, RADKit is a valuable addition to your toolkit, making network management simpler and more efficient. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.